Coat It is a highly durable, super hydrophobic coating. It leaves a long-lasting, glossy, water-repellent finish on all automotive surfaces. And we think it's the easiest product you will ever use. It is safe on paint, plastic, glass, carbon fibre, chrome, rubber and wheels. The only area to avoid is the windscreen. It is incredibly quick to use. All you have to do is spray it over a wet, clean vehicle. Rinse it, and don't think you're going to get aching fingers using a trigger. Coat It is designed to be used with your pressure washer. You can apply Coat It using an injector system or a bottle foamer. If you are using an injector, insert the pipe directly into the container and set the machine to 2%. If you are using a bottle foamer, add 50 ml of Coat It and top up with 250 ml of water. This is generally enough for a car. Vans, trucks and other large vehicles will need more. Spray a light layer over the vehicle and immediately rinse off. As soon as Coat It hits the vehicle, you can see it starting to work, repelling the water. After application, dry the vehicle off and clean the windscreen with Window Clean. Coat It is so fast and easy to apply, you can upgrade any customer wash to include it. The beading performance is similar to wax, and the gloss enhancers leave a stunning finish. Coat It gives everything a durable, hydrophobic, glossy coating.